Yo, squad, what's going on? Listen, I know you've seen 1,000 HIIT workouts online. I know that. I know you want to learn how to customize your own HIIT workouts. What formula do I use to give you the best boxing HIIT workouts out there? In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to customize and create your own HIIT workouts at home. Truth of the matter is, HIIT workouts are everywhere. I mentioned that in the intro, but check it. This protocol is the perfect way for you to design an excellent HIIT routine at home every single time. It's what I use consistently, and it's what has produced millions of views in some videos on this channel. So here's all you're gonna think about. Number one is, what are you building for a HIIT workout? Is it full body? Is it boxing? Is it heavy bag work? What is it? That's number one. Dial that in and let that sink in. When you know what you want, you don't have to search, you just have to pencil it in using this formula. The easiest way to think about it is, number one, your HIIT set is 90% effort, which means you gotta be breathing hard, you have to go for it, don't hold back. Once you have the form down, of course. The second piece to an awesome HIIT workout is your 30-second active recovery, which means 30 seconds, a little bit easier, say 50 to 60% effort, and it should complement the HIIT set. So in other words, maybe it's an activation piece, maybe it's a core piece to help you with your deadlifts, whatever it is, combine them so that they fit into the puzzle. So here's your protocol. If you want to do a 5-minute round, this is the setup. A 1-minute HIIT piece, 90% effort, 30-second active recovery. Again, boxing, shadow boxing, heavy bag work, whatever you're doing, throw it in. You do that for 3 rotations and then a 30-second rest. That's a 5-minute round, okay? If you want a 30-minute workout, you'll do this protocol 6 times. If you want a 20-minute workout, it would be 4 times. So you control the length of the workout. Now, let's put it together. For instance, when you're doing a heavy bag workout, one of the reasons why the 30-minute heavy bag HIIT workout was such a big hit is because it started off very quick, bop, 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 with a 1-1-2. An awesome combination to kick it off, to make you instantly feel tired and empowered. So think about that in your boxing workouts. The finisher was a full body effort that challenges you mentally and physically as a finisher to get it done. So your last set of your last round, make it a challenge. You wanna make sure that that effort is incredibly difficult, and you want to give yourself a chance and the opportunity to outdo your greatest potential. You want to beat your last win in that last set. If you do it like that every single time, that 1 minute on, 30 seconds active recovery for 3 rotations for that 5-minute round, you will absolutely crush your workouts. You don't need to search online to figure out what's working. You can build your own, be creative and effective with your workouts or with what you're programming. Be smart with your programming, and you will evolve in the comfort of your own home. One of the easiest things for you guys to do to make the best workouts is look around the channel, figure out what workouts you want. So if you see one of my full body HIIT workouts, take out the best segments and put those in as part of your programming. You could even do a bit of full body in with a bit of boxing. You could do full body boxing and core workouts in one awesome full body HIIT workout using this formula. Each round could be a different segment. Round 1 could be boxing. Round 2 could be full body. Round 3 could be core. You can change it up so that every round that you're doing in those 5-minute pieces gives you a little different flavor. And that way you're always optimizing, you're doing different things. And of course, just like on the channel, you're never bored and you're always beating your last win. Take that advice, put it together, utilize it, enjoy it, guys. I always say, don't take it too seriously. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to be effective. I'll see you warriors for the next workout.